Hi there, Michael from the Rokform product team here. We got our iPhone 17 cases in, so we wanted to do a demo and an unboxing and show you how to install them on your brand new iPhone 17s. All right, so we've got our iPhone 17 Pro Max here. We've got our iPhone 17 Pro Max rugged case here. So let's get to unboxing. Then we've got our rugged case. In here, we've got our catalog with all of the products that you can find in our showroom and online at rokform.com. And now we have our rugged case. So right here, we've got our magnetic ring. This is a MagSafe ring. We also have our additional magnets down below. So that really helps you if you want to mount it anywhere in the gym or around home, like on the refrigerator or the washing machine, or anywhere just around that you want to put your phone. We've got our RokLock plug. We can get to that in a little bit, but we can pop it out there and replace it with the magnetic version as well, or leave it out if we're going to mount it to one of our mounts. But first, we'll install the phone into the case. So what we usually find is best is starting on two sides and then pressing the other sides there. And then you can see we've got all the buttons nicely aligned. We've got our camera control button here, we've got our lock button, volume buttons, and action button here. And then additionally, we have a slot for a lanyard if you want extra security. Now that we've got our phone installed in our rugged case with the standard plug, we can go through some of the wireless charging products that we have at Rokform. So first, we've got our wireless magnetic charging stand. So this is a charging stand. It's MagSafe right here. It's nice silicone, so it's smooth when you attach it to the phone. It's also got the stand, so you can prop it up on your table or your nightstand, and then it works perfectly in landscape or portrait mode, so you can open it up like that. Put it on the table and keep your phone charged. And it's very simple to attach. So the magnets align right there, and then we get charging. Additionally, we also have a 5K and a 10K wireless power bank. So this uses wireless charging as well. Also, both 5K and 10K power banks have kickstands, so they can keep your phone upright. Also both in landscape and portrait mode. So again, we just connect it very quickly and easily, and it starts charging your device. All right, so like we mentioned earlier, we've got the RokLock plug that is removable. And right here, we've got the RokLock Sport Ring. So this is a great accessory. It attaches onto the back of your phone through the RokLock, and then you can use it as a grip or as a stand anywhere you go. So what we'll do, first we'll take the phone out of the case, and then we will press on that RokLock plug. It'll pop right out. And then we have our RokLock plug here. And so right there, the RokLock will install nicely into the case, twist it, it locks, it's secure. Then we can put our phone back in there. And now we have a sport ring. It helps us with a stand or just holding onto your phone anywhere you want to go. The sport ring also has a magnet right here, so that gives you extra security or mounting options when you are just out and about or anywhere at home. You don't have to take this off to mount it to metal objects like the refrigerator or anywhere in the garage or anything like that. So that's the RokLock Sport Ring, and this is a great accessory if you want and need to take that center plug off and have access if you're using it on a bike mount or a motorcycle mount, and really be able to just transfer from the Sport Ring to one of the mounts, and as well as using wireless charging. Now that we've got the RokLock plug out of there, we are going to install the magnetic plug. So this is a great option if you want a stronger magnetic hold. So what we're going to do first, we'll open this packaging, and we can take that magnetic plug out of here. Just press it out. There we go. And then we'll take the phone out of the case and just press to install it. And then we can put the phone back in the case. And now we're ready to go with extra magnetic hold with this magnetic RokLock plug. One thing to note is that when you have the magnetic plug installed, you cannot wireless charge, so you will need to remove it for that or just charge using the standard USB-C port. Another popular accessory that we have to go along with our rugged and crystal cases is our Fusion MagMax wallet with a phone stand. So that's what we've got right here. This wallet is magnetic, so it attaches nice and securely to the back of your phone case. And it also holds 7 cards and has a stand, so you can hold up your phone and use it as a stand on the table anywhere you go. So it's very simple and easy to connect to your phone. We just place it like there, and the magnets do the rest of the work. So that is the Fusion magnetic wallet with a phone stand. So those are the features of our rugged case for the iPhone 17 series. We've also got the crystal case here because there are some fun new colors that Apple came out with. And so if people have colors, if you've got a colorful phone that you want to show off, our crystal case is another great option. So you can really see that color shine all the way through the case. The crystal cases do offer all the same protection as our rugged case. It's just a different style a little bit, so you can see the phone differently through it, but it's still got the MagSafe ring and the extra magnetic bar down below, as well as all the same control buttons for the camera and all the other controls on the phone itself, as well as the lanyard slot if you need to mount it, and the different RokLock capabilities. So this one has a standard RokLock in there, as well it also comes with a magnetic plug version and is equally compatible with all of our RokLock mounts. So those are our two new iPhone 17 series phones. We've got the rugged and the crystal. Thanks for watching. Stop by the Rokform showroom here in Irvine, grab your case or an accessory and speaker, or you can find everything on rokform.com.